Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am gonna talk about the top 5 best compost bins that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, please check the link in the description section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Algreen Products Classic Soil Saver Compost Bin. This is a really wonderful compost bin or worm farm. You will save a lot of money as you will be able to make your own organic fertilizer from food scraps, garden and kitchen waste. Above that, this bin has a large opening that makes it simple to access the 2 sliding doors, and also removing the compost is much convenient as well as simple. This composter is made with 100% recycled material and military-grade rugged construction that will insulate heat-making microorganisms to break down the waste, producing nutrient-rich soil in about 6 to 8 weeks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the EnviroCycle Beautiful Composter BPA Rust-Free Tumbler Bin. The EnviroCycle Waste Garden Compost Bin is intended for homeowners and gardeners who want quality and large compact tumbler bin. It is one of beautiful composter you can find in the market. For that reason, you can proudly place around your home and look pleasant all the time, as it will bring beauty. The tumbler drum can rotate to mix the waste perfectly, and it is made with BPA-free and rust-resistant materials. Furthermore, it will enable you to collect excess materials and make them to nutrients-rich fertilizer. At number 3, we have the Redman Green 65-gallon Culture Compost Bin. The Redman Green Compost Bin is actually designed for both indoor and outdoor usage. It is easy to assemble and only weigh 15 pounds, thus you can move it from one place to another with less effort. In addition to that, this bin can be able to hold a total of 65 gallons, and it is made with rugged plastic resin that makes it durable as well as decorative. With the ventilation holes included, it will let air in to ensure with proper composting. You will be able to recycle your kitchen and yard waste, thus you will reduce the volume of garbage that landfills the area. At number 2, we have the FCMP Outdoor Dual Body Tumbling Composter. The FCMP Outdoor Composter is made with 100% recycled polypropylene that will provide you an extended length of time of usage, as it creates rich compost for your patch. It is equally painted galvanized steel frame that is corrosion resistant and will appear perfect for many years. Mixing the compost pile has been made easy and efficient, thus there is no need to mix with your hands. Aside from that, this model feature aeration holes that let in the oxygen in the composter, ensuing deep decomposition of the waste. It also simple to use, especially for beginners, as it has large openings that makes it easy to add scraps and removing the compost. And finally, at number 1, we have the Squirm Firm Factory Worm 360 Composting Bin Farm Kit Green. The Worm Factory Compost Bin by the Squirm Firm is one of the hardest and durable compost bins on the market. It is made from 100% BPA-free materials, making it more efficient compared to the traditional yard compost pile, as it 10 times the nutrients that traditional compost produces. For that reason, it will recycle paper waste, kitchen scraps, cardboard at a fertilizer that you can use it in a garden for better growth of plants. With this in mind, it is also simple to set it up, and you will be managing it in less than 15 minutes per week. It comes included with an instruction manual on some steps on how to manage this bin. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, subscribe.